Okay, now I've called this numerical equations because when you get to secondary school you'll probably end up using algebra to do all of these. Okay, so it says Lily thinks of a number, multiplies by 8, then adds 5. She finishes with 37. What is Lily's number? So essentially Lily's number is here, alright, she multiplies by 8, okay, and then she adds 5, and you've probably seen one of these, number machine. Alright, and she ends up with 37. So if I'm working back the other way, I'm going to do the opposite. So I need to take away 5 at this point. I need to divide by 8 at this point. Okay, oops, there we go. And so we get 37 minus 5 is 32, divided by 8, we get 4. Okay, now that's ultimately algebra. Now, to let you into a little secondary school secret here, okay, you could have done this as 8n plus 5 equals 37. We take 5 away from both sides. We divide by 8. And there you go. That's their algebra. They're just numerical. The thing you've got to get your head around algebra, and I know you don't do any in year 6, or do very little in year 6, I should say. Okay, but they are just numbers in disguise, and the sooner you can get your head around that, the better, essentially. Now then, this is quite a complex problem actually. The distance from A to B is 4 times the distance from B to C. The distance from A to C is 80 centimetres. What is the distance from A to B? So here we go. So I'm going to draw a line. I've got A, B, C. Now whatever this is, alright, it's whatever, hold on, I'm just going to change the colour. What colour haven't I used? Green, there we go. Alright, this bit, okay, is 4 times this bit. Right, and I know it doesn't look like it, so whatever this is, a number, an amount, alright, it's 4 times that. So the 4 of these is this. Alright, and so the best way of doing this, alright, is to use algebra actually, but I realise that algebra is new to lots of people. So I've got the whole lot, and it tells me is, what was it, 80, there it is. Okay, and how many n's have I got? I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 n's equal 80 centimetres. So 5 lots of something make 80. We end up with n being 16 centimetres, and 4 of them, so each of these here, and I'll do it back in blue again, each of these is 16, so we get 16, 16, 16, 16, 16, alright, and so I end up with 64. From A to B, I want A to B, don't I? A to B is 64 centimetres. Right, so again, it's another thing that's actually much easier using something called algebra. Right, but you can work it out just numerically, like I just showed you.